W1 Pro Tutorial Series Intelligence Follow Mode. Control at mobile interface. In the mode of optical flow, enter the mode of intelligent following. Click the mode of personal following. Click or choose the target. After locking on the target, the blue column will change into red. The rear indicator of the aircraft will change from yellow to red. Click switch palm to control the following. Last single hand, close 5 fingers together, point to the head of the aircraft. Aircraft will start to distinguish the gesture. The rear indicator will change from yellow to red, which means following successfully. Move the palm up and down slowly to control the aircraft up and down. To circumgyrate clockwise or anti-clockwise to control the aircraft left and right. Under the mode of GPS, and click GPS to follow. Keep a distance between aircraft and the mobile when following intelligently. Be careful about the surroundings during flight. Above is the teaching video of W1 Pro Intelligent Following.